We're here today at the preserve at Oak Meadows to do some bank line restoration. We're coming along the Salt Creek River to do stabilization of the bank line to alleviate some of the erosion issues due to flooding. We've been working on this now for about 3 years. We can only come in when the ground is frozen, only able to bring in certain equipment in this area because we're working through a lot of wetland areas and sensitive areas along the river. So some of the equipment we're using out here is a track truck, an excavator, different skid steers. One of the reasons we're using the track truck along here is because we can get that fairly close to the bank and it's very efficient, being able to drive along the bank while we're dumping, setting it up for the excavator to shape the bank line for the restoration. We've been able to move about 350 tons of cobble from a stockpile area about a quarter mile away to bring it down to the riverbanks. The biggest challenge for us out here is working in the middle of a golf course. We have irrigation to deal with, and most of the area through here is wetland. There's different plants and parts of the ecosystem that we have to be careful of. The best thing for the ground conditions is to have track machines because we're putting less pressure on the ground so we don't get compaction on the native plants. Been with the district for about 30 years and seeing some of the big equipment and the things that we can accomplish. I'm proud of what all of our guys have done here to take care of this project and get this completed. We have some more projects coming up in the future at different preserves. What we learned on this project can help us to take care of those in the future.